for a crochet project that's not going to waste your time, I'm going to make you make money faster. Try crocheting a scrunchie. It doesn't take a lot of time, just few minutes, and you're done with one. And you can even make more than 2 dozens in a day. So that's making a whole lot of cash. So to make this scrunchie, I'll be using Yeye yarn. It's a 2-ply yarn, 100% acrylic yarn. But I'll be using double strands for this. But if you have a 4-ply yarn, you can use just one strand of it. Then I'll be using it with the 4.5mm crochet hook. Scissors, a needle, an elastic band. I couldn't get the regular elastic band, so I had to get this elastic band sold in the tailor shop. The regular one is round in shape. This is it here. So if you can't see it, I had to improvise on using this elastic band sold in a tailor shop. Then I'll be using this needle and thread to sew it in to form that round shape. So to start, I'll also use my measuring tape. So I'll need a measuring tape to get the size I need from this elastic band. So I'll be using just 5 inches of this elastic band. Yeah. Then I'll cut it with my scissors. And then I'm going to sew it. So I'm going to be sewing it very, very tight. So after sewing it tight, this is how it will look like. Yeah. So I'll just have to cut here a little bit to shape in it. Good. So you can see the shape is now like that of a circle. So let's start. To start, we'll first start with a slip knot. But this time around, the slip knot should be inside. Don't throw the circle because we'll be walking around here. So you yarn over, you start the yarn here, then slide this, then you hold your 2 fingers here. After holding your 2 fingers like this, then you yarn over here, twist it, then hold here. After holding it tight, then you're going to yarn over and pull through. Then make it tight. Yes. So I'm going to start with single crochet around here. We're going to be making single crochet around. And single crochet is insert your hook. But we're going to chain one first. Chain one first. So after you chain one, you're going to do your single crochet, which is insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through, gives you 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So go again, insert your hook, pull up a loop, gives you 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's single crochet. So while doing this, you can either walk straight like the way is straight like this, but just make sure that it's not going to be too tight so that it won't fold, or you can as well fold it while walking. Yeah, can as well fold it while walking. So anyone you want, but I'll prefer folding it while walking. So give me the round shape, round mid short size shape, because it's longer than the normal hairband. So I'll be bending my, like folding it like this and working it. So I'll continue my single crochet, insert your hook below, yarn over and pull through, gives you 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops. That's a single crochet. And I've remember one thing, which is stitch marker. For beginners who won't be able to find it easy to get their first stitch, you need a stitch marker to insert it there. So in the first place you made that one chain, you're going to insert your stitch marker there, like this. And if you don't have a stitch marker or you can't get it here, so you can just use this other one here as a substitute for this. So continue with our single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through a loop, gives you 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through it. So you're going to be doing this round till you get here. So I've made it till this, I've gotten to this side now. So this is how it will look like. Yes, I've gotten to this side. So I'm going to insert my hook here in this place I put the stitch marker to make a slip stitch. So I'm going to remove the stitch marker and insert my hook and make a slip stitch. So slip stitch is a slip stitch is yarn over and pull through it on. So after that, I'm going to chain 2. So in this second row, I'll be working 3 double crochet in all stitches. 3 double crochet in all stitches. After chaining 2, after you chain your 2, so double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch here, then yarn over and pull through. It gives you 3 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2, gives you 2 more loops, then yarn over, pull through 2. So I'm going to be making 2 more double crochet in the same stitch here. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through a loop, gives you 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then let's go for the third one. Yarn over, insert your hook in that same stitch, yarn over, pull through a loop, gives you 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're going to be doing it in all stitches. We're going to be making 3 double crochets in all stitches. Let's go to the second stitch. So yarn over like this, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through a loop, gives you 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then you do 2 more inside. This is 2 and this is 3. So continue this till you get here. So I'm done with the first row and this is how it will look like this. So after the first row, I'm going to insert my hook into the first chain we made, the chain 2. So I'm going to insert it in the space here and make a slip stitch. So yarn over and pull through it all. So after making a slip stitch, I'm going to chain 2, 1 and 2. and inside that space we made the slip stitch, I'm going to be making 3 double crochets. Here's 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And I'm going to be making 3 double crochets in each stitches across here. So go to the second stitch and make 3 double crochets there. 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to continue 3 double crochet in each stitch. Each stitch, do not skip any stitch. In each stitch we're going to be making 3 double crochet till we get to this end here. So I've done the second round here. So after doing the second round, you're going to make a slip stitch. Remember the first 2 chains you made. So you're going to insert your hook there, yarn over and pull through it all. That's a slip stitch. Yeah, we're going to chain 1 to tighten it. But if you want it to be a little higher than this, you still have to chain 2 and work just double crochet, just 1 double crochet, 1, and all stitches round. Then you're going to slip stitch and then chain 1 to end it. So I would like mine to be like this size. This size is okay for me, but if you want it a little longer, just double crochet in each stitches round, then slip stitch and chain 1 to tighten it. Then after chaining 1 to tighten it, you're going to cut off your yarn, then pull it through and tighten it. Then use your needle to sew it in. But if you don't have a needle, you can just use your yarn and sew it in like this. So yarn it over from the back and pull through. Then you go to the other end, insert your hook here, then bring it up to the front. From the back, insert your hook there, then bring it to the front, yarn it over and pull it through. Do the same thing again, insert it from the back in another stitch, then bring it up in another stitch, then yarn the yarn over and pull through. Yes, then you can cut it out or you continue. So I prefer to cut it out here. So, and also the loose ends from the back stitch. So I'll be cutting mine as it's tight, and you can sew yours inside also. And this is it. This is it. And if you like this video, this tutorial, kindly like it, share it so it can get to others to see it, and please subscribe to my channel to get notified for all new videos.